You are hitting too many stop losses in your forex trading, gold, crypto, whatever you trade, but you are thinking that you are having a good approach. My friend, this is not the thing what you have to carry in your mindset. You have to get a good trading approach, but not just by copying some YouTubers or any Instagram followers or some kind of stuff. No freely available strategy is going to work. First thing, I am not selling here any strategy, no course, no nothing, but I am guiding you. This is Mind Body Markets. You are with me, Arpit Sharma. You can join and subscribe for me to have a lot of knowledge on how to be profitable in that approach. Now, see, you need to find out what you like in your trading, like what is your mindset good at, like mathematical skills, drawing skills, what kind of approach is very good, familiar to you, by which you can follow it daily. You want to follow it daily and you can do it without getting tired of it. First thing. Now, in that approach, you have to find out the signaling conditions, like at what condition you will take a buy trade, what condition you will take a sell trade. That has to be finalized. That has not to be changed. It is supposed to be rigid, solid, when you will make your entry in any trade. Now, you must be also having fixed exit. Risk to reward is fixed. Like if you are risking 1 and your rewarding is 5, so 1:5 is your risk to reward. Now that has to be also fixed. If you are having good entry conditions, fixed one, and rigid exit conditions also, now you have to back test it for 6 months daily at that time in which you are available for trading. At that particular time you have to take the entry and exit daily in that session. That is the only approach which is going to be saving you. Now, you can tell me that multiple stop losses are getting hit and your account is getting wiped out. That is because of bad risk management, and you don't know that how much stop losses continuing your strategy can give. So first you need to backtest for 6 months, and then you need to get a number that this is the worst case scenario, that my strategy is giving me 10 stop losses in a row. Then you have to get a risk management design for it. I can design that risk management for you. I will give you a small video in my YouTube channel. You wait for it. In this weekend you will be getting a live YouTube live for me. I will come and I will explain you what a good risk management is actually about. I want to make people precision free trader, so you don't have to get 70%, 80%, 90% accurate strategies. There is none. And if even you are having fixed rule for entry and exit, and you are having 10% of accuracy or less than 10% even, I will make it profitable. You can be profitable even if you are having 10% of accuracy, but rules should be fixed. Wait for it. Thank you.